In this video, you'll learn about the four main classes of fire you might encounter around military aircraft and the extinguishers designed to fight them. Before we delve into the four main classes of fire you are likely to encounter around military aircraft and support facilities, let's take a moment to review fire extinguisher types. This is a crucial aspect of fire safety, particularly in high-risk environments such as aviation and maintenance operations. Fires behave differently, and our responses should reflect that. This is why fire extinguishers are categorized based on the types of fires they are designed to combat. Throughout the lesson, we will explore the specific type of extinguisher needed to safely and effectively combat each class of fire. Now that we've introduced the different fire extinguisher types, let's begin with the first category, Class A fires, which include ordinary combustibles such as paper, cloth, and wood. These fires need to be cooled to be put out, so we use water or foam extinguishers. While Class A fires are common, aviation environments pose even greater risks due to the presence of flammable liquids. Let's move on to Class B fires. Class B fires involve flammable liquids, such as jet fuel, grease, and oil. We fight Class B fires with dry chemical, carbon dioxide, or foam extinguishers. Dry chemical interrupts the chemical reaction that fuels the flame. CO2 displaces oxygen, and foam forms a barrier to smother flammable vapors. Flammable liquids aren't the only hazard. Electrical systems also present serious fire risks. Let's take a look at Class C fires. Class C fires involve energized electrical equipment, including wiring, circuit breakers, control panels, and avionics systems. These fires are typically caused by short circuits, overloaded components, or insulation failures. Because water conducts electricity and poses a serious risk of electrocution, it must never be used on electrical fires. Instead, we rely on carbon dioxide or dry chemical extinguishers. CO2 extinguishers are ideal when protecting sensitive equipment, as they leave no residue and minimize the risk of damage. Dry chemical extinguishers are effective at interrupting the fire's chemical reaction, but they can be corrosive to electronics and may require cleanup afterward. Electrical fires are dangerous, but there's another class that's unique to aviation: fires involving combustible metals. Let's explore Class D fires. Class D fires, often overlooked but critically important in aviation, involve metals such as magnesium, titanium, or lithium, which are commonly found in aircraft parts. When these metals ignite, they burn hotter than typical fires and can react dangerously with water or standard extinguishers. That's why we use specialized dry powders, such as graphite or sodium chloride, to safely control them because they absorb heat and smother the flames, cutting off oxygen. Now that we've covered all four fire classes and their extinguishers, let's summarize what we've learned before moving on to aircraft fire suppression systems. Here's how each fire type is classified, and how to fight it. Class A consists of ordinary combustibles, which include materials such as wood, cloth, and paper. To extinguish these fires, use water or foam extinguishers to cool and soak the materials, preventing reignition. Class B includes flammable liquids such as fuels like gasoline, jet fuel, oil, and grease. Utilize dry chemical, carbon dioxide, or foam extinguishers to extinguish flames and contain vapors. Class C refers to electrical equipment, including energized electrical systems, wiring, control panels, and avionics. Use carbon dioxide extinguishers to avoid equipment damage, or opt for dry chemical extinguishers, which are effective but may be corrosive. And finally, Class D, combustible metals, involves metals like magnesium, titanium, and lithium, which are often found in aircraft components. To safely suppress these high-temperature fires, use specialized dry powder extinguishers, such as those containing graphite or sodium chloride. Now that you are familiar with the various fire classes and the extinguishers used to combat them, let's turn our attention to the aircraft themselves. Unlike handheld extinguishers, aircraft are equipped with advanced, built-in fire suppression systems. These systems are designed to automatically detect and respond to fires, often within seconds. They are crucial for protecting the aircraft, preserving mission integrity, and, most importantly, saving lives.